Welcome back in this session. So in this session we are going to understand the how to copy the project one to another and how to rename the project name. So let's start. So this is my project and let me configure here something so we can trigger. So I'm adding one cell execution, that's a echo hello. Let's go back to the project and let me trigger. So I have triggered multiple times over here. So let's see. There are the different jobs created over here, you can see here. So let's understand this is a demo project, name is a demo, and how do I rename this project. So for rename, let's go to the dashboard again, and here you can find the name is here in configuration. When you go, and from here you can rename, but this was the support are in the earlier release. In the latest release it won't be available. So when you want to rename your project, so here you won't able to the rename your project. You can update your description over here. So let me update description here. This is demo project. Okay, so we can update the description, and also we can add the display name. So in advanced configuration you find the display name. So this is the again demo, and let me save this one. So we have given the display name is the demo and project name is as of now is a demo. So we didn't rename this one, but you can find the project name here. The display name rectify here the project name, it will show here the demo. But I want to rename the my project name. That how to do, let's see. So here in drop down you can rename, here you can find the option is the rename. So in rename, let's change the name here. So I'm just adding the project name here, demo project. So now my project name is renamed. It's not available. Let's try once again. Something happened but we didn't realize. So the new name is the same as the current name. So it's showing the error. Let's go back. So the new name is the demo project. It's already there. And here it will showing the display name. So let's go to the configure page. In the advanced section we will remove this name. As of now, let's have to understand the name rename. Let's go back, and now you can see the demo project is the name. So your rename is options available from here. Rename, we can again configure the demo project in your display name here, and to rename you will find explicitly different option at the rename at your configuration level. So this is the again same configuration which are coming in the your dashboard level. Let's move forward for the copying your project. So I want to create the new project here. So let me give the name is the copy project. And it down you will find the option copy from. So here we will select the demo project and let me click OK. So our copy project has been created. This is the copy project, and let's confirm that we didn't give the display name. Okay, so our project name is the copy. Let's go for the dashboard level. So you will see there is the demo project having the success build, but copy project don't have. So copy project is a copy with the configuration of your project, not your build data. So it's not migrating your data, it's only migrating your configuration of your project. So this is how you can copy your existing project, and this is how you can rename your project.